Just see there. Last time we have studied this topic, that is the tool that is knife erase virtual segment deletion. And what option? This is the option, this artistic media tool, right? And pen tool. Last time we have studied all these options. Today we are going to learn B spline tool and following the below. Just click on B spline tool. It show the curvature structure. By using this, we can just make the curvature structure like this. Just see there, just click on this and again click here. It makes a curve like structure like that, right? Just click on this. You will get the curve like structure and you just mold like that, right? You can just draw these types of structure by using this and color it. Clear? So you can use the curvature structure by using the B spline. Whenever you see the B structure or B alphabet, you just follow the curvature of the B angle like that, right? So by this option, we make the curvature structure for our different objects. Next one, that is the polyline tool. Why we use polyline tool? It's helpful for the make the line object. Just see there. First, you just delete this content like this and just go with the polyline tool. And after that, we can just make the star-like structure by following this, or you just make the continuation line structure, whatever you want to just create that. Right? So we just click and again click. It will continuously attach the previous one. Click and make the closed object by using this, and you give the color by that. Understood? We can draw the different shape by using the polyline tool, right? And next one, that is the curve tool. How can we use the 3-point curve tool? Just see there. This 3-point curve tool help us to make the curve structure. For example, wherever we want to just make the curve structure object, just click here on this. And here's a single click for the first point and another click for the diameter of the curve. Just click on this and just drag the third point for the curvature structure. Whatever you want, just place your cursor and just click on this, you will get this structure, right? Similarly, you just do the same process again, just select the node and again draw this structure, and you can third click where you just want to place the curvature. Click here, you will get this object, right? So by this option, we make the curved structure like this, just like a leaf. You want to just go with the leaf structure and just try another shape as well. Understood? So here the 3-point curve tool help us to create the curve structure by following the 3-point of mouse clicks. Next one, just go with the next tool. Here we have the next tool, that is the Smart Fill and Smart Drawing. Why we use this option? For example, Smart Fill help us to fill the particular color in a complex object. Just see there. If we make the complex object by using this, just click on this. And here we have the multiple curvature structure like this. And we want to just fill the color within this particular structure by using Smart Fill tool. Just select it and drag down and you just get these types of shape, right? And if you want to just give some color in this particular section, so we have to just select the tool, which tool? That is the Smart Fill tool, and place your cursor here. You will get the color in this particular section, and again click on this, you will get the color in this section. And click on this and choose any color, that is red. You will get the red color like this. And similarly, you can choose here and click on red, and here we want to just click on yellow color. So we will get the different colors with that, and it makes the shape as well. Just click on this and drag it and move out. Drag it and move out by using this. Just see here, it is an object. Again, just move here. You will get another object. This is one, third one, and this is fourth one, and this is fifth one. And just move this shape from this section. Just select it and delete it. I think plus button is creating some problems. So just close it. What happened? Just delete this section. Select it and delete this section. Right. So here we have the object by which we can just adjust the shape. Just hold it and just select it and set the order of this object. Just move on arrange option, and here we have the option that is align and distribution. Go on this, and whenever just choose any option from that, you can just easy to adjust the shape. Here we have the align the edge object from the top, but we want to just align the object from the bottom. Just click on this. You will align the object from the bottom. And if you want to just give the equal distance between the objects, just move on here again and click on where that is the align and distribution. And here the option is that is align and distribution. Just click on this option. And here the different shortcut keys. You can also use the shortcut key directly for the particular property. But here we use align and distribution, both property from the common window like this. Just see here. Here we have the property that is the distribution. Just click on distribution, and we want to just set the equal space between the line between the object. Just click on spacing. Just stick here, check here, and click on apply. You will get the equal space between the objects, right? And if you want to just align the object, just go with that. Here we have the option. If you want to just align from the left side, just go with that. If you align with the center, just go with that. And right align for that. Just click on this and click on apply. You will get the right align. Just see there. All the object align from the right side. If you want to left side, just click on apply. It will align from the left side. Just click on center. It will align center lines like that. Right. So here we get this type of structure by using the align property. It is the horizontal alignment, left, center, and right.
Yes.
Okay. And here's the option by which we can just align the object vertically. Just see here. Here we have some properties like that, just little bit upward and downward structure coming with that. And if you want to just align this object vertically, so firstly we have to select this object and click on top. Just see there. What happened? It move on this. Firstly, just remove this particular part and then go with the top. Just see there. What happened? It aligned from the top side of this window. Similarly, if you want to just align bottom, just click on this. It will align from the bottom. Just move it a little bit up and down. And after that, just increase some shape of the object and just select it and go with that and click on OK. Just see there. Align at the bottom. Right. So here are the 6 properties by which we can just adjust our object or select the particular alignment by using this. Okay. And if you want to just adjust the vertical space between the object, just see there. Here are the different shapes, and like this, just decrease the size of the image or view and place like this object, right? And we want to just give some equal space between these objects. So we have to use distribution, and we use what spacing. This is the vertical space. Just click on this and click on apply. You will get the equal space between this line. Okay. And if you want to align center, just go with that align center. You will get the center alignment of this object like that. Understood? So these properties,
Yes,
align and distribution, help us to arrange the object in proper manner for the logo formation or for the object formation. Clear? Let's go with the next tool. Here we have the next tool, that is smart drawing. Piece of shape like this and go with the next tool. This is the next tool, smart drawing tool. Just click on shortcut is Shift plus S. Here we just draw the particular shape and it will take nearby the shape. Just see there. It is nearby elliptical shape. That's why it takes elliptical shape like that, right? And we can change the order as well. If you want to send back, just press Control and paste down. It will move at the back side of this object, right? And set the color for that just like this. Understood? And it out?
yes, sir.
If you want to just make the rectangle, just draw the structure rectangular, nearby rectangular, you will get the rectangular shape in this section. If you want elliptical shape, triangular shape, just draw it. It makes the triangular shape like that. Okay, so we can get the different shape or line object by using smart drawing tools. Okay, so we can make the different structure, or if you want to just make some cartoons with that, you can also go with this tool. If you want to just make cartoon, you can use this tool, just see here. Just click on this and draw it. Just see there. This is the shape coming with that. This is the shape coming with that. And here we make the hands like structure. You will get the line plane structure like this. Understood? And just make this type of structure, and it makes an object at the top, right? So this will help us to make the different types of cartoons for that particular tool. Clear concept? So we can make different cartoons by using this, and you can draw any shape or any design by using the smart drawing. Okay, and its smartness that it makes your structure or drawing smooth and automatically. We don't need to just draw a smooth structure. It will automatically smoothen the structure because it is a smart drawing tool, right? Smart it will automatically adjust the shape. Next one, that is the rectangular shape. You know very well that is a rectangle and 3-point rectangle. What are the difference between these two? Rectangle tool is a simple rectangle tool, just select it and draw it. But the second one, that is 3-point rectangle tool, help us to firstly select the width of the particular object and just drag downward. So firstly, we have to decide the first point, and that is the second point, that is the height. This is the second point. Decide the height of this particular rectangle and just drop your mouse and move here for the width, and again third click, you will get the rectangular structure like that. Okay, so by using 3 click, you will get the rectangle. And if you want the normal rectangle, you have to click on 2 click. Just click on first click and second click at the bottom corner, right? You will get the rectangle. Similarly, we have the next tool, that is the ellipse tool and 3-point ellipse tool. It also the same tool. Just click on ellipse tool and just hold it the first point. This is the leave it the second point. You will get the shape. But in 3-point ellipse tool help us to draw the firstly diameter of the elliptical part, and third one for the width, second diameter of that particular part. Clear concept? So it helps us to make the different shapes, different diameter by using this. Whatever suitable for you, you can go with that and make your objects. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Next one, here we have the different tools also available. That is the polygon, star, complex star, graph paper, spiral tool. So firstly, we go with the polygon tool. Just click on this. If you want to just hexagon structure, what we'll do? Here we have the properties, that is the number of sides. So just click on 6 and you will get the hexagonal structure like that. If you want a pentagonal structure, just decrease the number and you will get the pentagonal. If you want to just increase the size, heptagonal, and increase, you will get the multiple shapes of that. Understood? So by this option, we will get the different angle or different multiple sides object by using this. Understood? Next one, here we have the next tool, that is the star like structure. Just click on, just delete it and make the another structure, that is the star structure. Just draw it, and you can also adjust the corner of this particular and grooves of this star as well. Just see here. If you want to just increase the number of corner or triangles in this particular star, just click on this. You can get the more triangular edges in this particular shape. Okay, and you can also make fine structure like that. You can increase the groove of this structure like that. So when we just see the particular discount diagram or drawing or art in our pamphlet, you will get these types of structure in pamphlet, right? Here we get a 20% discount, anything you want to just give some message in this particular section, right? And we can also adjust the corner of or yes, this particular nodes. You can increase the width, height of this node. Just double click here in this object or click on shape tool, just select it and move it. You can also increase the height of particular corners, right?
Yes, sir.
It will help us to make the different shape in the star structure like it. Next one, Just go with the third one, that is a complex star. It is the overlap rectangle or triangle. Just see there. Here multiple triangles make the star. Just this is the first one triangle, this second one, and this is the third one. So here we have a multiple rectangles makes the star. You can also increase the number of triangles in this particular section, and you will get the different look of the particular shape. And you can also increase the height of this particular triangle like this. Okay. Understood? And just give some color with that. You will get
Yes,
the
sir.
different vertical objects like that. And after doing that, you can also go with that. Just press Ctrl+G to group that object and click on transformation and click on rotate option and just choose any part of that and click on apply. You will get the multiple shapes like that. Give some angle with that, just that is 30 degree, and click on apply. You will get the shape like that. Understood? These types of structure you will get.
Sir.
Clear? Next one, just go with the next tool. Here we have the next tool, that is the graph paper. So if you want to just make the graph paper, shortcut is D, just draw it. And if you want to just increase the number of the rows and columns, so here we have some properties by which you just increase the number of rows and columns. But just keep in mind, whatever the number of rows and column, you have to decide it firstly, then you just need to draw this. Firstly, just click on this graph paper and decide the number of columns and rows. So here we decide 10 columns, 10 rows and 5 columns. And after that, just draw the structure like that. You will get the structure for the particular table formation. You can also set the border of this, all side inside. You can go with that. Here we choose inside border. You will get this and draw it. You will get the inside border as well, right? We can also set the properties of this particular section.
Yes, sir.
Click on this and just change the color. You will get the outline red like structure, and you can also increase the width of this particular objects. Understood? Clear concept? So that's the use
Yes,
of
sir.
which option? Graph paper tool. Okay.
Graph paper tool.
Yes. Just go with the next tool. Firstly, just delete it and go with the next tool. Last one, that is a spiral tool. It also makes the design. Just click on this, and here we have the different angles to change the particular looping like structure, spiral structure. If you want to just increase the width between the ending of this particular repetition of ring like structure, just click on this and draw it. What happened? What are the basic difference? Just see there. The width between this particular two lines or two rings will increasing at the end and decreasing at the center. But here the parallel
Yes,
structure
sir.
coming with that. No space change between these objects or these lines, right? If you want to just increase the angle or increase the looping structure with that, you can just increase and decrease here and just draw it. You will get the difference between these two, right? After that, if you want to just go with the other property, just delete it, and after that we just move on the another property like that. Just see here. Click on this and click on a spiral property again here. And here we have the number of loops. Just increase the number of rings by using this, and you can change the direction to set the direction of properties and just draw it. You will get the more curvature structure, more ring-like structure with that. Okay, just give the color with that by using outline property. You know very well, you can increase the thickness of that, right? By using this, you can increase the outline of this object. Just go with that outline color and choose any color with that and click on OK. You will get the red color like that. Okay, understood? And if you want
Yes,
to
sir.
increase the width, just again go on that and click on 10. You will increase the width of this outline. Clear? And we can also directly manipulate the values of that. Just click on outline color, outline pen, just move on that. And you can decide the width by using this 36 point and click on OK. It makes more thicker than the previous one, right? And if you want to just make the logo like structure, just click on this and again just move here, arrange, transformation, and click on rotation and give some angle with that, that is 60 degree, and click on this angle and make 6 object like that. Clear? So we will get this types of design by using this. Is it visible here?
Yes, sir. It's visible.
Okay, so you
The
can just
spirals are
these types
visible.
of design by using this tool. Clear? Any doubt? Just go with the
No,
next
sir.
tool. Here we have the next tool, that is the basic shapes, arrows, flowchart, shapes tool, banner shapes, and callout shapes. So just try with that. Just delete all the properties of all the shapes from here and just go with the basic shapes. You know very well basic shapes you studied in the MS Word. These are the different shapes. You can just select it and draw it. You will get the shape like that. Okay. Understood? And we just draw any shape from this section. Just choose it
Yes, sir.
and draw it like that. Clear? And you can directly go with the color, but you can also give some color with that. Right. If you want to just give some color in this particular section, you have to use what option is smart fill option. Just click on this. You are able to give some color in this particular section like that. Clear? You can
Yes, sir.
color by using the smart fill color, nothing else. Okay. Just click on here and give some red color with that. You can just choose red color. So these are the properties you can handle by this. Next one, that is the arrow shape. You want to just make different types of arrow. That is a predefined or pre-designed arrow. You can do insert by using this. Just click on arrow shape, and here we have a multiple arrow shapes available there. You can choose any arrow shapes like this. You can also give color with that. And here we have next one. Just click on this arrow, angle arrow, go with that. So whenever we just make the flow chart diagram, you can use these types of arrows. Okay. And make the multiple directions like that. You can write some content in this particular box as well. Okay. Just go with the next tool. Next tool, that is the flow chart shape. You know, flow chart shape, there are different flow chart shape. You can just write, and you can just want to just write, just select it and draw it, and you can write some content in this particular section. And again, just move on a little bit down like that. And if you want to just make another shape, first just increase the size of this and move on another shape like this. Draw it, color it. Okay, these are the flow chart like diagram. You will get that. Okay. These are the different flow chart shapes
Yes, sir.
available in this particular section. You can choose anyone and just draw it. You will get the shape. So this is the flow chart objects. Next one. Just move on this. That is a banner shape. Just select the banner shape. There are different banner shapes. Just click it and draw it. You know very well in MS Word, you can write some content at the top for your banner.
Yes, sir.
Clear? If you want to just write some here, just click on here and just place your cursor here and just type Svsdti and select it and press Ctrl+6 to increase the size of this text. Right? And just color it and place the position with that and increase the size. Okay, you can make banner like this structure. Understood? Next one.
Yes, sir.
Here we have the callout shape. You want to just go with that. Here we have some dialogues box. Just click on this, draw it, and you can write some content in just cartoon or just cartoon books. You can just see these types of structure and just add some dialogues with that. Okay, just go with that and just add some dialogues. Copy it and paste it. And just type here, just double click here, and or you can go with that and just place your cursor and just type here, hi. Okay, so just try all these properties because here all the options have been completed here. Basic shapes, arrow shapes, flowchart shapes, banner shapes, and callout shapes. So just use
Yes,
this
sir.
and make particular diagram or particular flow chart to take any topic, for example, air pollution, food chain, whatever you want, and make a flow chart diagram by using these shapes. And you can also use the different shapes, different arrow to make the flow diagrams or flow chart diagrams. Beside this, you can also go with the template formation. Okay, next class, we just use this object, these object for the template formation. Okay, how can we use
Yes, sir.
tool in the template formation? We just take this particular topic the next class. Okay, Rio?
Yes, sir. Nice, sir.